All right, next we're going to work on our forms. So we're going to go to Office 365, but we don't see forms here. So we're going to go to All Apps and we'll go to Forms. And then we'll go to New Forms. So I'll make a recording for each one. So there is some AI that you can use, but we are going to do it by hand. So first thing that we're going to want to do is to label this. So as you see, I X'd out of that Copilot, and we're going to name it Direct Labor Form. So again, it's important that this is what you name it. All right, and you can just click anywhere. So now this is the name, and you can see that up here. Then to get our questions here, and we're going to have 6. So our first one, until we have a table in that Word document, the first one is choice. And the question, and so by choice, you're giving people a choice to pick from some options. So we have employee name, and we are going to have Fred Smith, and very great. All right, then other things, in this case, in all of them, we want this to be required. And then we are ready for the next one. So our next question is job number. So this is a choice. And we're going to have 3 options here. So we can type those all in. All right, and this is required as well. All right, then our next one, we want people to enter the date. So they're going to enter the date that they worked, and it's required, so we're good with that one. Then next, we're going to ask for the amount of hours that are worked. So hours worked, and it's going to be required, but then we want them to have a little bit of limitation of what they can enter. So we're going to add some restrictions. So we want it to be a number, but then we want it to be between 0.25 hours and 16 hours. Right, so those are the limitations for working, so we want to enter that. Then we have another question. So the work activity. So they'll be able to pick between 5 types of activities. So we have cutting, welding, assembly, drilling, and painting. All right, and then lastly, any notes that they might have. So that's going to be text, and we'll have our notes. All right, and then one other thing, for the hours worked, we can, when we click here, we can add a subtitle, and we can say enter hours decimal format. All right, so we're all done with our direct labor form.